Good morning, everybody. This is the chemistry bi-weekly review worksheet for semester 3, weeks 2 and 3 at the International School of Innovation. Let's start with question number 1. Indicate the true statement or statements and correct the false one or ones. Let's start with the first one. Water is the solvent for varnish. First, you have to say whether it's true or false. If it's true, you have to put true. If it's false, you have to put false and correct the false ones. Yes, Linda. Water is the solvent for varnish. True or false? False. False. First, you have to put false. Correct it, please. Water is the solvent for salt. Water is the solvent for salt. Okay, this is the first one. Water is the solvent for salt. Or we can solve it another way, which is, Linda?
Varnish is the solvent.
Varnish is the solvent. Yes, which one? Turpentine is the solvent for varnish. Okay, thank you, Linda. Moving to 2, yes, Muhammad Ali. In a solution, the substance which does the dissolving process is the solute. True or false? False. What's the correction of this, Muhammad?
The substance which does the dissolving called the solvent.
Solvent, yeah. In a solution, the substance which does the dissolving process is the solvent. Why the solute is the one that's dissolved in the solvent. Moving to 3, yes, Joel. All solutions are liquid solutions. False. What's the correction of this?
Solutions can be solid, liquid, or gas.
Okay, solutions can be solid. Example about solid solutions. Can you give an example as well? Solid solution. Brass, an alloy, for example. Liquid solution, for example, is okay, salt plus water. And gases, we have, for example, air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and many other gases. Thank you, Joel. Moving to 4, yes, Ala. During the dissolving process, the masses remain the same. There is no change in the mass while dissolving. True or false? True. This is true. Okay, thank you. Moving to 5, yes, Lua. The gas dissolved in the carbonated water that is green, is the oxygen gas. True or false? False. What's the correction here?
The gas dissolved in the carbonated water is the carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. The symbol of what's it the symbol of? CO2. So the gas dissolved in carbonated water is the carbon dioxide. This gas which turns the lime water to be turbid. Okay, thank you. Moving to 6, yes, Tala. In an alloy, the metal in large proportion is the solvent. True or false? True. While the metal in a lower proportion is called the solute. Okay, thank you, Tala. Moving to question number 2, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct words. We have 4 statements. Let's start with the first one. Yes, Lynn. A solution is homogeneous mixture made up of 2 or more pure substances in a single physical state. Okay, thank you, Lynn. Moving to Muhammad Hassan. Steel is an alloy that consists of iron, yes, iron, carbon, and what? And chrome. Zainab, the solution that contains water as a solvent is called, what do we call the solution that contains water as a solvent? شو بنسميه? What do we call it? Aqueous solution. We call it aqueous solution. Why the solution that doesn't contain water as a solvent is called non-aqueous. Thank you, Zainab. Moving to 4, yes, Ali Rai. During dissolving, the remains the same.
The mass.
The mass remains the same. Thank you, Ali. Question number 3. Copy and complete the table. You have to complete the table on your copybooks. We have acetone plus varnish. We have salt plus water. We have oil plus benzene. Let's start with the first one. Abbas, acetone plus varnish. Which one is the solute? Varnish. Solvent? Acetone. Aqueous or non-aqueous? Non-aqueous. Justify.
Because it doesn't contain water, as I said.
Excellent, that's it. Thank you. Moving to back to Joel. Salt plus water. Solute. Salt. Sure, salt. Solvent. Water. Then solution is aqueous solution. Moving to oil plus benzene. Let's have Lua. Oil. Benzene. Aqueous or non-aqueous? Justify. Okay, thank you, Lua. Non-aqueous. 2. What calculation can you draw about the physical state of the solute? The solute can be what? Can be solid, liquid, and even they can be what? And gas. Okay, thank you. Moving to question number 4. Ammonia solution. Ammonia is a colorless gas with very pungent odor that smells like urine. Often it's sold as ammonia water, which is a solution prepared by dissolving ammonia gas in water. So we have the solvent here is water, and the solute is ammonia gas. So we have gases and liquids. And this form we are most familiar with it in consumer products such as household cleaners. They are used in household cleaners. Moving to the first question. Pick out from the text. You have to pick from the text the substances that form ammonia solution. Yes, let's see, Muhammad Ali. What are the substances that form ammonia solution? Yes?
Water and ammonia gas.
Water and ammonia gas. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Moving to part 2. Classify ammonia solution as pure substance or a mixture. Classify at the rhyme of Wi-Fi. So you have to justify. Okay, so classify ammonia. Yes, Muhammad Hassan. Classify ammonia solution as a pure or mixture. Justify. Yes, it's a mixture. Wait, it's a mixture. Yes. Since it's composed of more than one substance. It's composed of more than one substance. Thank you, Muhammad. Moving to Al-Rai. Indicate the solute and the solvent used in preparing the ammonia solution. Which one is the solute and which one is the solvent? Let's start with the solvent. It's water, while the solute is ammonia gas. Thank you, Ali. Ammonia gas. Let's move to part number 4. Ammonia solution is an aqueous solution. Justify. Yes, Noah. It's ammonia who be aqueous. Yes, we told that it's aqueous. You have to justify why it's aqueous. Since the solvent used is water. Since the solvent used is the worldwide solvent, which is water. 182.5. Classify the ammonia solution according to its physical state. Yes, let's see, Joel. Classify it according to its physical state. Liquid, yes, it's present in the liquid state because it's mixed with water and produce a liquid. Thank you, Joel. Moving to 5. An alloy X is composed of copper and tin. Another alloy Y is composed of iron, chromium, and carbon. Alloy Z is used in plumbing. First, define the term alloy. What is the term alloy? Yes, Lynn. What is alloy? Alloy is what?
An alloy is solid mixture which components or hydrogen.
Okay, it's a solid mixture, yes.
It is formed of a metal and one or more other elements, usually metal.
Okay, mainly it's a solid mixture that's composed of more than one metal, mainly. Okay, this is a definition of an alloy. To give the name of each of the alloys X and Y and give one of the uses. Let's start with alloy X. Alloy X. Yes, Tala. What's the name of alloy X? It's composed of copper and tin. It's bronze. Uses.
It's used in statues.
Okay, statues. While alloy Y is composed of iron, chromium, and carbon. Yes, Abbas. Iron, chromium, and carbon. Steel. The uses of steel. One of its uses. And bridges. Yes, Hamad. Let's start with part 3. What are the components of the alloy Z? It's used in plumbing. Okay? Components.
Z is composed of copper
Alloy Z is composed of?
Copper and zinc.
Okay, first it's composed of copper and zinc. Zinc is written Z-I-N-C, not Z-I-N-Q or Z-I-N-K. Z-I-N-C. Okay, Linda? So it's used in, or give its name, sorry.
Its name is brass.
It's brass. Okay, thank you. Moving to the last part number 4. What are the components of duralumin? And give 2 of its uses. Yes, Linda. Components.
Components of duralumin
Yes.
are copper, magnesium, and manganese.
Copper, magnesium, manganese, yes, and manganese.
It's used in
And somehow composed of aluminium. Okay? Uses?
indoors and windows.
Okay, indoors and windows. Thank you, Linda. This is the components. They compose of copper, magnesium, and manganese, and not manganese. And uses, it's used in doors and windows. Okay, thank you.